Okay, guys, so you have an amazing website, an amazing online presence, but you're not getting calls. What's happening? Today, I want to talk about why your auto shop isn't getting phone calls, quote requests, and getting full, even though you've got a great website, or maybe you're paying for a great auto shop software and estimating software from the big name brands that have promised you traffic, but you're just not getting phone calls, you're not getting business. So, what is happening? Let's go take a look at this. Now, this is an example. I just got off the phone with a auto shop owner in a very populated area that has literally almost 200,000 searches per month in the area, but he's not getting very many calls. What's happening? All right, let's go take a look real quick. So guys, if you have seen any of our presentation before, you will know that the key to online presence, the number one key is that you need a Google business, website, and Facebook. This is the foundation of your online presence. But it does not mean that traffic is going to come to your business. You still need a way to get that traffic. The number one way to get that traffic is Google Ads. You need a great website. You need a good Google business and Facebook. But let's check out this right here. What are most shops missing? You got the website, Google business, but you need Google Ads. So let me go over here to this other screen real quick. All right, guys, now here we are in this search area. Now you can kind of see this is actually in kind of the California, Los Angeles area, very populated area, high population density, lots of people searching, lots of auto repair shops. We'll probably have thousands of shops in here, I'm guessing. If you're a shop in this area, how in the world are you going to be found? This is Google Maps. And of course, you can look on Google search, but Google Maps is a quick indicator of how a shop might show up. And as you can see behind me, these little dots, I think you might see some dots here. These little dots do represent a auto repair shop. As you can see, you don't see a website. Although if you click in here, you will see that website is one of these factors. But first off, Google Business. Now let's look at this, guys. We're in this area looking for auto repair shop. And lo and behold, look at this first one that pops up. He's got a whopping 25 reviews. Now, how in the world does that happen? How does a shop with only 25 reviews show up above 90, above 318, 899 reviews? All these guys, I think I saw another shop with thousands of reviews. Look at this, 1,006 reviews, 389 reviews. And yet the number one search pick was 25 reviews. These guys are awesome, doing amazing. How do they do it? Sponsored. It's a sponsored ad. It's a Google ad. That is the way to get in front of these people. And let's just take a look at how much search volume is in this area. You'd probably imagine there's quite a bit. This is California, but let me show you. Let me just pull up the search volume. I think I have it right here. Okay, guys, here we are. This is the actual search volume from today, actually. Well, it's actually, I guess it's last month. From the last month for about a year back. This is the average search volume per month, 157,000 searches per month. And it's really only this small blue area right here. I don't even think that's that big. It may be a 10-mile radius or so. Now, other places that you go, you will need to expand your area in order to get a larger search. But for your populated areas, for your areas with the most very high population area, other big cities will have a high search density. So look at this, 157,000 searches per month. Most shops do this. Tire repair shop, mechanic near me, mechanic, mobile mechanic. Now, even if you're not mobile, it doesn't matter because people will still call that first search pick, most likely. Even if it's not mobile, if you say, hey, I can fix your car, they'll probably bring it to you. Auto repair, transmission, tire repair. So all these, and if you keep scrolling down, there is thousands of these searches. Some of these end up being 50 per month. So we get Volkswagen mechanic. You got tire repair shop. Oh, that's another one that's open. Even though these guys click this search, it's going to kind of default to that larger search if you have the proper keywords and parameters. So, I mean, we can scroll down and you've got all these little 50 searches per month. You got Lexus repair shop, you got car technician. All these combined get you 157,000 searches per month. And it's in kind of the smaller area. Let me pull that area back up again. In this smaller area right here, it's actually smaller than this. I think it's something like this right here. This area right here, maybe a tiny bit bigger, 157,000 searches per month, which means no one shop can handle all that volume. It's going to have to go to other shops. And when you talk about competition, it's fine because other shops will need to actually fill this. No one can handle that much traffic, that many customers. But really all you need is a little bit. You don't need that many to be profitable. Back to the original question, why your auto shop isn't getting phone calls with a great website, great software. What's right here? You're just simply not getting in front of the people who are looking for your shop. And so how do you do this? Well, guys, you do it by Google Ads. You do this by using Google Ads to get in front of your shop. And this is a component of Google Ads for the location. You're going to get it on Google Maps. You need a Google Ads account. You need to set up a certain campaign. Just looking at that is pretty impressive how these people are number one for right now for my search. If I switch it up, it might change it up. Actually, let me just try to put, here's what you could do. You could type in this up here to see where you guys rank, show up. You can put mechanic and then just see what happens. If you're in auto body, collision, paintless tint repair, you can do the same thing and see what happens. Don't click on these guys' ad. It's going to charge that, but you can just see, okay, this guy came up. He does have quite a few more reviews, but right below that, perfect example, 328 reviews. This guy has 249. And what happens is most likely people will click that first one to call, or they'll click that first one to go to their website. So usually people don't waste a lot of time. They just click that first one. Even though, yeah, there's probably other people that are more qualified. Using that ad, look at these guys, 1,700 reviews, probably a pretty good shop. A lot of these guys, I'm sure, are good shops. How do you differentiate yourself? How do you break out of this competition? You do it with Google Ads. So that right there is the basic, simple answer. Your website, again, you can have the most beautiful sign, most beautiful website in the world, but if no one sees it, it makes no difference. So imagine having your sign, having this beautiful, let's say it's a video board sign. It's not like your regular just sign someone put up. Let's say it's a video board, but if no one sees the sign, it really doesn't matter. You could spend thousands of dollars on the sign, just like a website, just like some other things out front. But if no one sees that sign, if no one sees your shop, or knows about you, it makes no difference. So you do need a sign. Don't get me wrong. If someone drives by and they're looking for your shop, you probably want a sign. But if you're only relying on that sign, if you're only relying on a website, then chances are good you're going to miss out that traffic that are searching for you who never drive by your shop. You might be on one street, someone drives by the other street, they're never going to see your shop. How do you get in front of those people searching is by Google Ads. But Google Ads is going to get you in front of those people who are searching for your shop today. Chances are good that search demand, that search volume continues throughout the year. A lot of people think that, oh, it's a seasonal thing, it's the economy. That's just not true for auto repair. So many people are driving, even in a smaller town, people are driving, people need their cars to work, people get in accidents. So all those things happen, which means throughout the year, you're gonna have that demand there, most likely for most decent sized towns, even smaller towns, this is most likely true. So the way to get in front of those people, you do need a website, you do need Google Business, and I recommend having a good website. But if you think that's what's going to get you the traffic, then most likely you will miss out on those leads. Look and consider how you're going to incorporate Google Ads or some kind of traffic generating system, most likely Google Ads, Facebook, to get in front of those people who want your service. Every single day, they're looking for it. You just have to get in front of them. If you need help for any of that stuff, you can go to autoshopmarketingpros.com, click on schedule a call with us, and we'll show you exactly the strategies that we'd recommend for your shop today. We can pull up these numbers for you, help you out, and see if it's right for you. All right, guys, hope that helps. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.